as I am going to Japan for the 3rd time this year. This is my 3rd attempt to make a video, and I think I failed the first 2 times. So, time to fail the 3rd time, right?
Yes, that is right. I have attempted to film this vlog 3 times. I hope this is it. If you're hearing this, this is it. This is the video that goes live. Okay, with that expositionary dialogue out of the way, let's flash back a bit. How far? Well, you see, maybe about 400 days ago, at least as of recording this on February the 21st, 2024. The footage I got was mostly walking, but I'll see what I can salvage from it. Anyway, here it is. Japan. The first trip. Okay, now because I didn't really record my voice a lot in this video, which I know it sounds a bit stupid, but like for some reason in the first 2 parts I didn't really talk a lot. Mostly just short footage. So here it is. I'm just going to be commentating a lot. This first place we went to, which is like, it was some pretty niche cafe. Trust me, you will see them again in this video because it was really good. I highly recommend this place. Anyway, we're gonna head to Suntory Hall now because I need to get some tickets. But that should be it. We'll just explore the city, I guess. And then I also need to get our Wi-Fi because we're literally gonna be dead without it. So let's go. Our next plan on the agenda was to head to Shibuya. Now keep in mind this is still our first day, so we ended up meeting up with one of our Japanese friends and there's going to be a very, very abrupt moment where the music stops to just show this fairly comedic photo booth scene. I bought $50 off BL manga.
Well, points to the right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Huh? What? It told us what points to do.
Yeah.
What? Do we have to listen?
Yes, you have to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, don't just stand there. It has to be cool.
Oh.
Like this.
Why do I look so lesbian? I didn't do it! Oh wait.
Oh, you.
Day 2, December the 30th. So today we got up pretty early, went to our favorite cafe spot, Tully's Cafe, and proceeded to Tokyo Tower. We definitely did a few other things, you'll just have to see, it's a lot of just very, very shaky walking footage, so enjoy that I guess.
We're taking the stairs.
Yeah.
We should go there. Tokyo Tower, it sounds cool. Yeah, where is it? Oh shit. This is Melbourne High School. Heading to this local Japanese cuisine place called Hard Rock Cafe. So the only footage I'm getting is like city views, so this is gonna be an interesting video.
Yeah, if it wasn't clear, you can kind of tell how much stuff we've crammed every day.
This area is really crowded, so I'm trying not to film much so I don't get too many people. We spent so long looking for dinner and we finally found something. We've just been messing around with our luggage bag that I acquired. I think we scared a family. There's music. Wow. Oh, I'm finally back.
Oh, what a long day.
New Year's Eve tomorrow.
That's right.
No, tomorrow we're going to like Zozoji or something, I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bitcoin-sama.
We've taken all the blessings. We've reached our blessing.
Maximum free trial.
Maximum 3 blessings.
Where are we? He's home. Okay, bye. It's crazy how you can just walk around and just find like random shopping centers that just have observation decks like this. Hey, we're gonna be there soon. Our legs are so tired. We're gonna have some street food now.
Thank you for that, Tristan. Well, today's focus was mostly around Shibuya, which is why you just saw Harajuku plus Shibuya Sky, those kind of places. But tonight, it is New Year's Eve.
Okay, so we decided to go with Operation Zojoji instead of Shibuya, so yeah. We're going somewhere that isn't Tokyo Tower today. Or well, looking at Tokyo Tower. Much more chill day ahead today. We went to Hatagaya, that place. This is where Devil Was a Part-Timer was set. This was just for me to have a look because autism. And then we went off to Shinjuku. Overall, pretty chill day. But this is the day that does wrap up this first part. And I have a lot more footage to edit. I also forgot to mention, we tried to go to Shinjuku National Park, but it was closed. I guess New Year's, so... yes, Shinjuku Nichome. No questions asked. This is awkward. We're just stuck here now. We got lost, but we found it. I got these for $6. $8. He got these for $6. And our f***ing room's made up. This is a good day. Wait, I need... Oh, yes! Hi. Hi. Yasumina. Oh, yeah, wait. Okay. Oh, Yasumina, sorry.
Oh, Yasumina, sorry.
Okay, guys. Well, that wraps it up. It's the 26th of November right now, 2024. And this vlog was shot in 2022. It's finally out, this first part. I realize now I've like over 8 hours of footage to edit, but enjoy the first part. The next one should probably be nearly double the length. So good luck to me, I guess, and to you, your attention span. Good luck. Bye-bye. I'll see you next month or in 2 weeks.